Hello guys, so in this video I'll be talking on HTML editors. Now basically, how can you create HTML files? Well, in order to create an HTML file you will need a text editor. Creating an HTML file is I don't know why I'm saying 5. Creating an HTML file is easy. All you need is an application to run that file. And in order to be able to run that file, you will need either Notepad, which you can find on your system, or Notepad++, or probably text edit, Sublime Text Editor, vim, Atom, Visual Studio Code, or Bracket. Or you can, for Mac users, you can make use of TextMate. Also, you can code on your phone, not only on your system or any computer device, on any device that has to do with non-phone. So in your Android app, you can download Coda or Quick Edit or Droid Edit. Now in these applications, you'll be able to code an HTML. Okay, so these are mostly commonly used text editor for creating HTML files. You can download any application you feel like or you want. Now, in order to save HTML files, you need to save your HTML files with the extension .html. For example, my web page.html or my website.html. Now, if you don't save your files with the extension .html, you won't be able to run it on browsers. So that is very key and essential. So in the next video, I'll be talking on HTML elements. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you do, subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video.